Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A54s. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable App Drawer. As you can see right now, App Drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen. Enter More and go to Home Screen mode. To disable App Drawer, select Standard mode and apply. Switch and it's done. To enable App Drawer again tap and hold on free space on the screen, go to More, enter Home Screen mode and select Drawer mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.